Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be reviewing the Bookstock versus the Wiki.js. Hi everyone, so if you're choosing between Bookstack versus Wiki.js, so here's the breakdown. Bookstack is the simpler option, designed like a bookshelf with books, chapters, and pages, making it beginner friendly and great for teams that want structured, no frills documentation. It is lightweight, self hosted, and easy to set up, but customization is limited compared to Wiki.js. Moving on with Wiki.js, it is a powerhouse, feature-rich with Markdown support, Git integration, access control, and tons of customization. It is better suited for developers or organization, that needs advanced workflows and flexibility. So if you want an easy organized wiki for straightforward documentation, I would suggest to go with your Bookstack. If you need a more versatile, powerful platform and integrations and controls, Wiki.js is the clear winner.